Yeah, I mean, there's no commitment. Real estate investing is 100% safe, self-paced. So you can go as fast as you would like to, or as slow as you would like to. Now, it's my opinion that going slower is a little bit more expensive, as you're going to have to put a little bit more of your own capital into the business, right? So I recommend to most people to get to 10 rental properties as quickly as possible. And I know that that could sound discouraging when you're just getting started and you don't have any rental properties and you're not even sure like how to get started. But a lot of people that I have seen that get burned out and ultimately end up selling their portfolio get stuck at a number that is smaller than 10. And I think 10 is also an important number to get to, because at that number, you're starting to play in like the law of averages or large numbers or whatever you want to call it, where in any given month, one property might have something go wrong that needs work. And the other nine, the income from those can pay for collectively whatever repair needs to be done on that one property, which is really cool, because that is, a self-sustaining portfolio where you don't have to inject your own capital when something goes wrong. A good friend of mine has just shy of 100 rentals, and he works a full-time job. In fact, I think he works two full-time jobs. So it can be done. And then I know multiple people that have, upwards of 20 properties that still work full-time jobs. In fact, I would say you should never leave your job to become a real estate investor. I think that's a really bad idea. I would say I've found a couple people on the internet. They're like, "Oh, I have four rental properties, and I was finally able to leave my job." So you are soon going to be back at another job. Four rental properties is not enough to leave a job. 40 rental properties is not enough to leave your job, right? To this fellow that has 100 rental properties that works two full-time jobs, he does not believe that 100 rental properties is enough to leave your full-time job, right? So real estate investing is definitely a long-term game. 30, 40, 50 years down the road, you will be significantly better off for it. From a short-term cash flow perspective, using real estate investing to leave your job, probably not a very realistic thing to do. More of a long-term play. Probably leave your job to start kind of working for yourself. But there's definitely a period of time where real estate investing just kind of be a version of self-employment if you want to kind of maximize your returns and leave a job. You're going to have to consume more of the proceeds of the business by doing things like paying yourself a management fee rather than somebody else, maybe taking on some of the work orders, doing it yourself rather than paying somebody else, which, it's more of a job than this whole kind of passive income that the internet may try to sell you.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.